Thank you, Dr. Nyikal. Good afternoon, Church. Father, and all the distinguished guests who have come to mourn with the family of the late Jaramogi, led by my party leader and my colleague in the Senate, the Honorable Oburu Dinga. My name is Edwin Sifuna. I am the Senator of Nairobi and the Secretary General of the ODM party. I am also the Deputy Whip in the Senate, Honorable Oburu. Kindly accept the apologies of most of our colleagues in the Senate because, as you are aware, there is an active impeachment that is going on, but there are few of them that I have seen here. If you are from the Senate, I thought I saw your Vice Chair in the Energy Committee, the Honorable Kisang. Is there any Senator remaining? Yeah, Dr. Oburu, you know the business that is before the House this afternoon, so apologies from all of our colleagues. I want to say that on behalf of myself, the people of Nairobi, and on behalf of the ODM party from the headquarters, poleni sana for the loss of your sister Beryl. When you were talking, I was reminded of the book of Job, and I was trying to generate something through the AI to summarize what the story of the book of Job was about. And it has shown me that our circumstances are not the ones that determine or dictate our relationship with God. And that sometimes, even when you don't understand the why, just remember that God is still in control and that He is on the throne. So for the Odinga family, you have had a very difficult year, a very difficult last 2 months. We will be there for you. We will be there with you. Even when we don't understand the why, there is nothing wrong you have done. And I am sure, although I might not have the authority of a priest, God still loves you and God still loves the entire family. So at this particular point in time, party leader, there are some friends of ours who are here, who are also in party leadership. I have been requested to just allow them to say one word, Father. And as always, when I come to Consolata, if there are any crimes that are committed by anyone in the political class, I, Sifuna, bear the responsibility. So I will